Patio lighting not working right can totally kill your chill vibes outside, so knowing how to fix it fast is clutch. First off, check the wiring, because sometimes those connections get loose or corroded. Just make sure the power is off before you touch anything. Safety first. Next, look at the bulbs. If they're burnt out or flickering, swapping them out for new ones usually does the trick. Don't forget to clean the fixtures, because dirt and bugs can block the light or mess with the electrical parts. Also, make sure your outdoor lights are rated for exterior use so they don't short out when it rains. If you're using solar lights, check if the panels are clean and getting enough sun during the day. Try resetting any smart lighting systems or timers to see if that solves the problem. If the wiring looks fine, but nothing's lighting up, it might be a fuse or circuit breaker issue. To flip that switch back on, or replace the fuse if needed. Lastly, consider upgrading to LED bulbs since they last longer and use less energy, making your patio lighting more reliable. One of the biggest problems with patio lighting not working properly is bad wiring. Old or damaged wires can cause flickering or total outages, so replacing or repairing them fixes most issues. Another common mistake is ignoring the bulb type. Using indoor bulbs outdoors can lead to frequent burnout, so always pick outdoor-rated bulbs. Third, people often forget to check the fixture's condition. Cracked or rusted fixtures let moisture in and cause shorts, so swapping out those fixtures keeps everything safe and bright. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get jobs done right without any hassle. Plus, it's awesome for contractors because it connects them with people looking for reliable pros, making it easier to grow their business.